So welcome back to another video, and this video will be a step-by-step guide on how to use Snapchat on your PC. So moving forward, if you do not have Snapchat pre-installed on your laptop or computer then and wish to log in through website, then you need to type in snapchat.com and then it will lead you to this homepage. In order to log into Snapchat, you need to either log in with your email address that you had previously used to make an account, or you could also, so please remember that the email address needs to be valid, or you could also go to the phone number option and select your country code and then type in the phone number that you had previously used and click on the login button. So here you also have different options such as the stories button to look at different stories, the lenses button to try out different filters only using website without the need to log in. So as you can see, you can also select other filters, and you also have a link that you can copy in order to share the filter. And if you had logged in with the process explained before, then it will lead you to this home screen. It will probably give you a dialog box to enable notifications or not. Please select an option that you are comfortable with. And now you can try out different lenses. You could also try the lenses that you had previously saved in your favorites or just the new lenses. And on the right side of the screen you can see that there is a vertical scrolling like option. It is like it is just similar as YouTube Shorts or TikTok. So on the left hand side you can have a look at all of your previous chats. You can also search somebody up, your friend, or in order to add somebody. You also have a icon with a plus and an emoji where you use to add your friends or view your previous friend requests. You could accept it if you know them or if you want to know them, or you could also ignore them. It provides you with a second verification, so if you want to ignore them then just click on ignore. You could also search up people. If you want to add them, you could have a new chat, or you could also install this Instagram app. And now by clicking on my avatar at the top left corner, I can also have a look at all of the new features. This is themes or help centers. I could also log out. So by clicking on the logout option, I am completely logged out of Snapchat. And if you wish to get the Snapchat app, then you could just click on the get it from Microsoft option just at the bottom left corner, and it will lead you to another page, and there's the download option. You could just click on the download button, and as you can see here, it is getting downloaded on my computer right now. So you could also open the store app. So that is how you basically use Snapchat for a daily basis on PC and download the Snapchat app. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell.